Puey, hey, what you looking at?
The clouds. Look at all the clouds.
Yeah, they're
That
beautiful.
one's in the shape of an apple.
An apple. Oh, yeah.
Banana.
I see that. You have a good
Snowman.
imagination, Puey. Hey, did you know that clouds are part of the water cycle? Because all the water from on the ground, it evaporates, it goes up, 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 up. It goes through condensation.
What's that mean?
Condensation is where it turns from vapor into liquid. Into little tiny little droplets of liquid. And they collect and they become clouds.
So why doesn't it fall?
Well, because the tiny little tiny liquid droplets are so small that they don't have enough weight and gravity hasn't affected them yet. But they get bigger and bigger and darker and darker and darker, and then it rains.
Get your umbrella.
It can also snow. And what's the word for when it rains or snows?
Precipitation.
Precipitation.
Oh, I'm getting smart.
You are one smart pig. You want to know a really cool thing about clouds?
Yeah.
They can contain all 3 states of matter. Solid, liquid, gas.
No way.
Yeah, it's so high up there, it's really, really cold up there, and so sometimes the water can crystallize, but then it also could be a vapor, and also could be tiny little droplets that are actually liquid, and it could be all 3 things, solid, liquid, and
Gas.
gas.
Hey, in another video, we talked about why to wash your hands and when to wash your hands.
Thank you. Good night.
Puey, we need to talk about how to wash your hands.
Step 1. Use water. Done.
I'm going to teach you how to wash your hands like a pro. Step 1, get your hands wet. Step 2, get soapy. Step 3, rub your hands thoroughly, and remember, get between your fingers. Step 4, do this for 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Here's a pro tip. Sing happy birthday twice.
Happy birthday to you.
Slowly, slowly.
Happy birthday to you.
Then rinse your hands thoroughly and dry them off with a clean towel. And that's a way to make this a good day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Puey. Happy birthday to you. I'm done washing now.
Everyone needs to conserve water.
Yeah. What do you mean conserve?
Well, use only what you need and don't waste it.
Oh, I get it. No, I don't get it.
Puey, remember yesterday when you were brushing your teeth?
Yeah.
And you let the water run the entire time?
Yeah.
Well, you wasted about this much water. And you could have saved this much water.
Oh.
So everyone needs to conserve water.
Yeah. What do you mean everyone?
Well, people like dads, executives,
We're in business.
best friends,
Sup, dude?
cowboys,
Especially when you're parched.
scientists,
H2O.
tuba players, wizards,
Abracadabra.
your auntie,
Sweetie, turn off the faucet when you brush.
pilots, mimes, Benjamin Franklin,
A penny saved is a penny earned.
rock stars, Santa Claus,
Oh,
birds,
Birds.
yes, birds, and also farmers,
wow, can't get that from here.
Elvis, astronauts, Jedis,
What? Jedi save water too?
yes, Jedis too,
May the force be with you, Puey.
Woo! Woo! What?
and also cavemen, trapeze artists,
Am I not magnificent?
balloon sculptors, upside down glasses guy, Sockman, and even people with rubber chickens.
Everyone?
Everyone.
But not me, right?
Yes, you do.